Good morning if this is your morning. Good afternoon if this is your afternoon. Good evening if perchance this is your evening or good night. I say ndewo in Igbo language. Ndewo, that's how we say welcome. Ndewo. This is the Igbo tutor live. So wherever you are and you are supposed to be in this live class, you begin to join now. I am the Igbo tutor. Here we brainstorm and teach and learn Igbo language. So wherever you are and you are interested in learning Igbo language live, you need to join up for this live class. This is the Igbo tutor, Mazi Okafo. This is the time agreed when we meet every Saturday to learn Igbo language together. So wherever you are, you do well to join us now as we begin this live class. So join us now wherever you are. Do not hesitate to join this live class now as we begin to learn as agreed. This is the time agreed when we come together to learn Igbo language. So wherever you are now, I advise you begin to join. Where are my students? Of course, this class is meant for only members of this channel. So if you intend to, learn with us every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time, you will do well to join membership of this channel. That way, you will have the opportunity to participate in our live classes. So join now if you have not joined our membership. And all our members, we invite you to come on board now. Kaimo Asusu Igbo, Abomazi Okafo, Onye Nkuzi Igbo. Join us now. Let's learn. Yes, we are running up with our series on Igbo tone mark today. So the earlier you join, the better for all of us, so that we can round up on time and then go to rest and prepare for a new series. So where are you? I am waiting for you. Join up now. This class will start in a few minutes. So let's come on board. Where are my students? Begin to join now. Wherever you are, the Igbo tutor is live. I'm waiting for you to join up now. Begin to join the class. Begin to join the class. Let's do this together as agreed. Saturdays by this time we meet 2 p.m. Nigerian time to learn, challenge ourselves, measure our level of progress in Igbo language. It's a good place to be where we have a community of learners. We learn from the teacher directly, we learn from our colleagues. We teach others too, others learn from us, of course, depending on the level we find ourselves. We have, new learners, intermediate people, advanced class people. We are all here gathered together as a family. We call this the Igbo family. So begin to join now. I'm expecting you to begin to join now and let the class begin in earnest. Want to maintain 1 hour exactly today. So the earlier you join, the better for all of us. Join now, waiting for you. The Igbo tutor is live. By the way, if you are watching this live class from our homepage, when it must have been uploaded, you will do well to go to the comment section below, swipe it to the left so that you have a replay of the live, comments and interactions when we are live. So do that if you are watching from our homepage, so you can have a feel of live interactions. This is 2 p.m. by Nigerian time. Where are the students? Let's come on board now, begin the class without further delay. Yes, waiting for you. Begin to join up now. Begin to join the class now. I'm waiting for you. Where are my students? Where are my students? Come on board. I'm expecting you right now. Yes, we want to try to maintain a very short time today, 1 hour on the dot. We'll round up the class. So the earlier we join, the better for all of us. Where are you now? Where are you? Where are you? Join the class now. Let's begin. Let's begin in earnest. Who is coming first to class today? Who is reporting to class today first before others? I'm waiting for the first student to join the class. Who is that? Yes, waiting for you. Waiting for you to join up. Where are you? Waiting for you. Join up, join up, join up. Let the class begin. Let the class begin. Who is coming in? Who is in the class? Who is in the class now? The Igbo tutor is live, waiting for you to come on board. Where are family members? Let me recap while we are waiting for our students to come on board. For the past 3 weeks, we've been dealing with Igbo tones, identifying different words, their sounds, and their Igbo meanings. This is done through the help of the tone marks. Of course, it is not in every occasion you'll be putting tone marks on the words when they appear in sentences and texts and in passages. But having an idea of the sound of the word is very, very important. And you do that by looking at the context where the word appear. With that, you can guess the sound, but you have to know the sound first, so that when you see where they appear in a text or a sentence, looking at the context, you'll be able to assign the right tone to the word. Of course, mentioning or calling a word by the wrong tone gives a wrong meaning, and that meaning might really be misleading. It shows that you don't have a knowledge of Igbo language. That's why people will laugh at you sometimes when you pronounce some things. Because when you miss the tone, you give that word a different meaning entirely. One word can have so many meanings depending on the tone. And that's why tone mark and tone sound is very important in Igbo language. Ndewo, Kenny Alice, welcome. Ndewo, you are the first to come to class today. Okay. Ndewo, let me greet you officially. Yeah, Imerofuma. So I hope others will come on board on time, because today we want to wrap up this series and leave the class on time. So I'm expecting that others will come on board on time so that we can wrap up this session and get ready for a new series entirely from next week. So where are the rest? Waiting for you guys to come on board. Kenny Alice, please confirm that I'm audible enough while we are waiting for our family members. Am I audible enough? Can you hear me loud and clear? Please confirm that, Kenny. Very good. Loud and clear. Very good. So let's wait a bit and hope that our family members will join the class as early as possible. Let's wait a bit. Let's wait a bit. Some of them come to class very late, but I don't blame anybody. We are all busy where we are, pursuing one thing or the other. You cannot predict the schedule of anybody. We just make effort to create the time to be in class. Even for myself, it's not easy. I need to make some sacrifice to be here the same time every Saturday. So wait a little bit and see if more people can join the class so that we don't have to repeat ourselves over and over, especially now that we want to conclude this lesson series on Igbo tones. So begin to join now. Where are the students? Please come on board now. Let's begin. Where are our family members? Do not delay too long. family members, come on board. Let's have our class now. Okay? I realized that knowing vocabulary doesn't guarantee that one can comprehend Igbo. That is, in terms of listening comprehension. Okay? Princess Eze Nwandewo, welcome to class. Dalo. Okay? Kam kelego Eze Nwa. Okay, I'm Eze Nwa first. I call her Adaise. Okay. So I said no, Adaise. Okay. Okay. Vocabulary helps, but listening comprehension is different. Yeah, it goes hand in hand. Knowing vocabulary is very important, and listening to is very important. It plays its own role. Now, listening is important because it helps you to measure your ability to comprehend what people are saying. But even in listening, knowing vocabulary is important too because it helps you to attach proper meaning to what is being said or what you are hearing. And when you want to make your own sentences, the vocabulary you have in your vocabulary bank will form the tools you will need to make your sentences. Even though you have listened to somebody, but you want to make your own sentences, you have to rely on the vocabulary you know to make your sentences. It could be subconsciously stored in your memory bank, but when you want to make your sentences, you pull them up to form your word and form your sentences. So you need vocabulary too to be able to make meaningful sentences when you need them. But you may not know you have them. It will be kept in your vocabulary bank, your subconscious mind. So by exposing yourself to more vocabulary of Igbo, you are equipping yourself to be able to make proper sentences when the need arises. I hope I'm making sense. Kenny Alex, I hope you are getting what I'm explaining. So both are important. Listening is important. Speaking is important. Writing is important. All are needed because you can listen and understand what somebody is saying, but you have to make your own sentences. You have to make your own statement. And in doing that, you will rely on the vocabulary you have in your vocabulary bank to make that sentence or make that speech. So both are important. Get enough vocabulary into your vocabulary bank, store enough of it, so that when you need to make a sentence, you won't start scratching your head and then you are lost in the middle of the sentence. All right. So that's said. You know, Princess Ezenwa, we were talking about the importance of having vocabulary as against listening to, you know, statements made by people, listening to people talk. Okay, which one is more important? And I'm trying to balance the two. That both are equally important. If you have enough vocabulary and you don't have anybody you are hearing talking to you or speaking to you, is also not very good. And that's why sometimes having a private teacher whom you can interact with directly is very important, especially when you live in a place or in an environment where the Igbo people are not around you to practice what you learn. No matter the amount of vocabulary you have in your vocabulary bank, if you don't have people to express it with, you know, challenge yourself to say it and speak it, you might not really be able to speak. And that is where having a private tutor comes in, when you don't have Igbo people around you. And that is what we do. We also offer private tutoring, where we give you a chance to talk, we talk with each other, and then challenge ourselves to do that. Of course, Princess SNY is one of my private students. She can attest that that is one of her, the area we want to focus now is on talking with each other, expressing herself in talking, because she already have a lot of vocabulary in her head. But to join them together and make sentences is where we are pushing ourselves to now, hoping that by the end of this year, she should be able to speak Igbo very, very well. She's in US. Okay. Princess Ezenwa, I believe I'm speaking your mind on this matter. Can you confirm that? If I'm speaking your mind on this matter? Yeah, Princess. Yeah, okay, yes. So she has confirmed that I'm speaking her mind. So that is the point. Yeah, and I don't know, many of our people are coming somehow late, but let also, as we are interacting, is also important. It's not every day we're going to be, doing this. Because I'm going to round up on the tone marks today. We have enough time to do that. So if you have any other question to ask or any other observation, you can still do that while we interact. We're hoping that more people come to class. Any other question? Any other observation? Yeah, because today we hope to round up the tone mark and have some time to talk other things. But if we can do that interaction now, it's still okay, so that when other people come, we just shoot and conclude that tone mark issues and move on. Any other observation? Any other contribution? Any other question you need to ask? You can do that now if you have any. Anyone? None. Or is on the way. Okay, if there is none, we will go to class now while we are hoping other people come. How do you remember the tone mark when speaking for someone who is not fluent, who is not fluent, and who is not learning? Is that learning? Who is not fluent and learning? Okay. How do you remember the tone mark? Very important question. Very important question. There are two things you use to remember the tone mark. First, you need to have the tone mark in your head first. You need to know what particular items are called and the way it sounds. So these marks will not always be fixed on the words when they appear in text, sentences, or in comprehension or whatever. They won't be putting all the marks. But you use two tools to remember the tone. Number one, you must know the spelling. That's number one. Number two, you must know the context within which you will expect this particular word. For example, if we are talking about, let me give one example now. We are talking about, give me just one example of any word. Let's say rat, for example, rat. Rat. Okay. O-K-E, rat. Okay? Ndewo, Nake, you're welcome to class. That is a word, okay? Rat. Okay? Now, how do you know when you see O-K-E in a sentence? How do you know this is okay? Because nobody will put a mark on it. Nobody will put a mark on it. You will know that this is okay by, first of all, knowing the sound, the right tone for rat. Number two, know the spelling of the word rat in Igbo. Number three, know the context of that discussion. What is being talked about in that text? Because every text is a part of a story, is a part of a context. There's a story being told. There's a context where that word appears. So the context, surrounding context, will tell you what they are talking about. If we are saying, oh, I saw, as I entered the house, I opened the house, and okay, okay, I saw rat in the house. I came out and I just opened the door. I saw rat. You will know from the context what we are talking about, that it is rat. Okay, you know the spelling of the rat. You know the context where it appears. You know the right tone to give it. So it is the context that determines whether this word is this or that. You know what it is. Then you know the tone that matches that particular word. Okay, so they won't be putting tone mark on all the words wherever they appear. It's not possible. Okay, so I hope I'm making sense. Talking to Princess Ezewana, I said three things of what is now. Know the spelling of the word. Number two, know the meaning of the word. Number three, know the context. The context where that word is mentioned. That will guide you to know what they are talking about exactly. Okay, that will guide you to know what they're talking about exactly. Where is the context? What is it mentioned? Okay, we're talking about last time we ended with nkwo or nkwo or nkwo. What are they talking about? What is the text talking about? What is the story all about? The story will tell you what the word is. Okay, if I say nkwo buru okuko, story about how the hawk carried the chicken or the chicks. So you will know the context, and that will give you an idea of what exactly they are talking about and the word they are referring to. Then you'll be able to remember this is the tone for this one, because you must have known the tone in your memory that this is what this word is called. This is the way it sounds. Is it nkwo as in weekday in Igbo? You should know it's nkwo. It should be a memory bank. The way you see a context where it is mentioned, and they're talking about market day in Igbo, they are talking about this, they are talking about that, Igbo this, Igbo that, Igbo market day, you know the context and the story. And when you now see nkwo, you know that they are talking about Igbo market day, and the sound should be nkwo. You read it appropriately. Nobody will be putting mark on every word as they are writing. It's not done that way. All right, Princess, I think that's okay. Kenny, are you asking? It's just that listening comprehension has my biggest challenge now. Okay, that is my biggest challenge now. Okay, listening comprehension. Of course, that is the challenge, and that's why some of my people here engage in private classes. Okay, because it helps you to listen to me. I listen to you. We talk to each other. You make your sentences. Most time when they make their sentences, they are correct, but the sounds are not okay. I now pronounce it properly. When you say your own and they are wrong and you are corrected, you tend to pick that correction and it sticks to your head even more. But if you don't practice, if you don't listen to people pronounce it properly, you might even be saying it wrongly without knowing for years. Your pronunciation may be wrong for years and you will not know. So you need to say it to somebody who knows better, who knows the sound properly, so that when you say it to him, it's not the people that will laugh at you when you pronounce it to, because people are ready to mock you and discourage you by mocking you and laughing at you. They will have them everywhere. So you need to get somebody who, when you talk to the person will listen. The person will say, no, this is not how it is said. Say it this way. The person should know the right thing to say. That is the way it goes. So that is where a private tutor comes into play. Here, we allow you to say what you want to say. We say, oh, it doesn't sound this way. It should sound this way, and you get it. And sometimes they record it when we're having classes, and they replay it again, and they get it properly pronounced. So with time, as you are corrected now and then, you start picking the right tone, the right sentence, the right sound, and then you are going. Okay? So listening is important. Having someone around you with whom you can practice is important. And if you don't have, please engage a private tutor whom you can interact with. Okay? I'm not saying it must be me. Just find somebody around you, maybe a friend or a colleague or a neighbor that can understand the language. Whatever you learn, go there, express it, say it, and let the person say, no, it's not said like that. And let the person say the proper way it should sound. Over time, it gets to stick into your brain and you can say it better. All right? I hope that helps. Okay? Am I clear? Dr. Blahi, do you understand what I'm saying? Dr. Blahi, no. And Nake, no, na class. Who have I not greeted? I think two of you. Okay? I hope what I'm explaining, you followed. And I hope it makes sense to you also. Okay? So let's go to conclude our class today. You know, we stopped at Nkwo last week, which is the Igbo Market Day. Nkwo. That was the last thing we did last week. So let's go. Let's begin today, and let's have the first word today. We're going to round up today, so I'm going to move as fast as possible. This is the first word we'll have today. Can we look at it and give it our mark? Trap. You see what I told you? There must be a context. In this case, you have a picture that gives you an idea of what we're talking about. Then you now remember the sound of it. Okay? Somebody has already given, who is, wait for other people, give your tone mark to this. Give your tone mark to this. Believe Kenny is here, Nake is here, Zenwa is here, Dr. Blahi is here. Believe all of you are still here while we are waiting for the rest. Give your tone mark now. I got that of Kenny Alice. Let me get the others before we mark and pronounce properly. Okay, Nake is in. Princess is in. Dr. Abdullahi, are you still there? Dr. Abdullahi, are you still there? Give us your tone mark. Dr. Abdullahi, are you there? Or you have left the class? Dr. Abdullahi, give us your tone mark before we mark. Can we have your tone mark? Okay. Maybe network is holding you back. Let's pull this down and pull up our mark. Believe those of you who marked, you almost got it. Believe all of you, almost all of you got it right. Okay. Let's see what you got. I think all of you got it right. Elu. Okay. Okay. Elunala. 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 Correct. All of you got it right. And it's pronounced Onya. 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 So all of you got it right. 3 of you that answered, you got the answer correct. And that is Ikukwama Nonya. Okay. You are saying, Kenny is telling us one, anyway, is actually a name. People call themselves Ikukwama Nonya. But it's actually a deep saying in Igbo language. Ikuku. Amanonya. Ikuku means breeze or air. Ama. You didn't actually write it correctly. It's Ikuku Amanonya. Let me correct you. Okay? It's Ikuku Ama Nonya. I believe this is going to help. It is written this way, Ikuku Ama Nonya. Did you see that? So you have to put Nonya. Ikuku Ama Nonya. What does this mean? Dr. Nedu, you are welcome to class. What does it mean? Okay. It means the breeze or air can never be caught by a trap. Okay? The breeze cannot be caught by a trap. Ikuku. Ikuku is air. Ama, never be caught. Nonya. Okay? And it's a deep saying that means you can't be caught by the enemy. Okay? When your hands are clean. It's like a proverb too. When your hands are clean, when you didn't do anything, okay, there's no way you can be caught by your enemy. Your hands are clean and God is working and protecting you. You can't be caught by their trap. I hope that makes sense. You're getting double portion today for your class. Okay, let's move on. Sorry, I will not be able to participate because I'm on a what is this? Social function. Okay, that's a Dr. Blahi. That's all right. Thank you, doctor. You can be listening. Okay, let's go to the next one. We've done this. Let's do the next one. Still on the same range of word, but different word entirely. What do we have here? Let's give our mark. Let's give our mark. Let's give our tone mark. Okay, Kenny is in. Kenny is in. Nedu is in. Yes, who else is giving us his tone mark? Her tone mark. Princess. Nake, where are you? Princess in. Nake, where are you? One person remaining, Nake, to give us his tone mark. Dr. Blahi has taken permission. Please do us a favor. Click like on this live class. Look at my channel name below and hit like button there. And possibly share this live class if you can. Please, we appreciate that. Okay, you have all given your tone marks. Elu, ne, elu, elu, ne, elu. I think you guys are correct. I think you guys are correct. You are on fire today. You guys are correct. Let's see if that is true. Let's see. We are here. You are all correct. Virtually all of you. Elu, ne, elu, elu, ne, elu, elu, ne, elu, elu, ne, elu. You guys are too much. Let me pronounce it now. It's pronounced as onya, 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 wound. Okay, perfect. Let's go. Next word. And what do we have? Okay. Okay. I think these are the only two words we have for this. Another word entirely now. Another word. Let's go. We'll share this now. Give your tone mark for this. Give your tone mark for this. Give your tone mark. Give your tone mark now. Yes. Mark now. Mark now. Okay, Kenny is in. Nedu is in. Nedu is in. Princess is in. Princess, what did you write? Eluna what? I don't understand. Okay, you have corrected it. Eluna Allah. Okay. Nake, what do you say? What did Nake say? Nake family, what did you say? Mark, give us your tone mark. Give us your mark. We are waiting for you, Nake. Give your mark so we can mark generally. Yes. Let's go. Nake, we're waiting for you. We are waiting for you. Want to mark? Kenny say elu na elu. Nedu say elu na ala. Okay, Nedu say elu na ala. Princess say elu na ala. Nake say elu na elu. Let's see who gets it right. I think two people got it right. Why two people got it wrong? You share it 50-50. Let's see. Let's see. It's a 50-50 mark here. Two people right, two people wrong. What do we have? One who got it. Kenya less. Elu ne elu. Correct. Who else got it? Nake. Elu ne elu. Correct. Why Nedu and Princess said elu na ala. Wrong. Let's pronounce. Okay. 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 That is male. Okay. 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 That is male. It's high, high. Is that right? Okay. Let's proceed. Put this down. Bring another one similar to this. Same spelling, different sound, and different meaning. What do we have here? This is what we have. This is what we have. Give me a tone mark. Give us your tone mark. Give us your tone mark. Nedu said ala nelu. Let's go. Kenny said ala nelu. Let's go. Princess Nake ala nelu. Princess, we're waiting for you. Princess ala nelu. Ala na ala. Okay. Who else is here? Any other person in the class? All right. I'm going to mark you are the 4 people I know. It's like somebody have joined, but we've not heard his voice. He has not greeted us. So let's go and mark and see who gets it right. Okay. Okay, I think 2 people got it somehow. Let's see those who got it. Let's see those who got it right. Let's see. Go. Boom. Who got it? Who answered first? Nedu. Alanelu. Nedu is correct. Kenny. Alanelu. Correct. Nnake. Alanelu. Correct. Princess. Alanala. Mba. Only one person failed it. 3/4. I mean, 3 out of 4. Good one. Good one. Let me pronounce this one now. The way it sounds. It sounds okay, 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 low, high, okay, okay. I believe Princess is hearing me clearly. Princess, do you get it now? Okay. Did you get it? Is it clear? Princess. So it's Alanelu. All right, down. I go to the next one. What else do we have? More of this spelling and different tone and different meanings. Let's go there. Boom. And you have it. What is this? What do we have? Give us your mark. Give us your tone mark now. What do we have? Let's go. Let's go. Those who are trying to join our live class, if you are not a member of the channel, you won't be able to join this live class. So the first thing to do is to click join below and join membership of this channel for you to participate in live classes. Because I see many people struggling to join in, but it's not possible for you to join because you must first be a member of the channel to be a participant in our live teaching. Okay? So do that first for you to be, able to join our live classes every Saturday by 2 p.m. Thank you for doing that. Sherry Mango, you're welcome to class. Coming late comer. Okay, but better late than never. Okay, let's see your markings. Who marked first? Nedu marked first. Alanala. Followed by Nake Alanala. Kenny Alanala. Princess Alanala. Sherry Mango Alanala. Nah, these guys are on fire. Una no agree at day. Una day ready for this class. Let's go. I think all of you are correct. All of you are correct. I think so. I think so. Let's see whether it is true or not. Boom. Here we go. Yes. I say all of you are correct. You guys are too much. Alanala. And it sounds this way. Okay. 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 Share. Okay. Okay. Share. I hope it's clear. So you guys got it right. Let's see. What do we have next? Yeah. What do we have next? This is what we have. Here we go. Same spelling again. Different sound, different meaning. Boom. Here we go. Let's mark. Let's mark now. Let's go. Mark, 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 mark. Mark it now. Yes. Who is marking first? Who is marking first? Don't wait for other people to mark. You follow them and mark. Mark your own. Nedu is in first. Whether it's right or wrong, just mark your own. That's a test of your ability to pronounce the word correctly. It's a test of your knowledge of the word and your ability to pronounce it correctly. So don't wait for other people. Mark your own. Nedu is in, followed by Kenny. Yes. Who else is marking? Who else is marking? Nedu is in. Kenny is in. Let's get your marking now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Where is Princess? Where is Nake? Where is okay? Cherry Mango. Cherry Mango is in. Princess is in. Where is Nake? Where is Nake? I have Nedu, Kenny, Cherry Mango, Princess, remaining Nake. Nake coming quickly so we can mark. Come in quick, 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 quick. What do we have here? Kenny, Nedu. Nedu say, oh, yeah, Nake is in. Okay, Nake is in. Let's go mark. I don't want to comment. Let me go straight and mark. And let's see. And let's see who got it right. Okay. Let's see those who got it right. Straight to marking. Boom. Here we go. Let's see. Who's Nedura answer first? Elu Nala. Kenya let. Elu Netiti. Woo! Kenya too much. Who else got it? Nake Elu Netiti. Woo! Thumbs up for both of you. Princess Elu Nala. No. Oh, Kenny wrote Elu Netiti. Not only Kenny, Sherry Mango also got it. Elu Netiti. Wow, Sherry, you surprised me. Wow. Shoibi, great one. So we have Kenny Alice, Elu Netiti, correct. Cherry Mango, correct. Nake, correct. Only Nedu and the Princess that missed it. But a very good try. I'm surprised. I'm really surprised. Especially for Cherry Mango. Cherry Mango, you're improving seriously, Igbo. You know, agree at all. Okay, let's go. Love that. Oh, I didn't pronounce it. I'm sorry. I didn't pronounce it. Let me go back and pronounce it. I put it down already. I need to go back and pronounce that word. Very much important. I have not pronounced it. Let me go back. Sorry about that. Okay. Share again. It's pronounced as okay. 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 That is the sound. Boundary. Boundary. Okay. Okay. I pull it down again. Okay. And then we go back and see, am I still sharing that? Am I still sharing it? Okay, I stop sharing. Let me stop sharing. Let's go back and see what we have next. What do we have next? And a new word entirely. A new word entirely. Let's see what it is. A new word entirely is coming in. Okay, this is going to be challenging, but let's see those who can crack it. Let's see those who can crack this. Okay. Okay, Ken is saying agafela. Okay. Anna. Okay, Anna. Okay, Anna. Okay, what do you write? Okay, okay. Don't cross that boundary. Please, those of you trying to join this live class, you need to first of all join our channel membership. Click on join below the video or the live class to join our channel membership so that you can join the live class. Without that, you won't be able to join this live class. Join membership first. This is part of the benefit of membership of this channel. So do that first for you to join this live class. Thank you for doing that. Okay, we are talking about inheritance. And then let's see what you guys got to do with this. Who answered first? Is it Sherry Mango? Oh, is it okay? Nake answered first. Nake came in first. Okay. Followed by Sherry Mango, followed by Kenny, followed by Princess, and then Nedu came in last. I hope I'm correct. I hope I'm correct. Okay, let's go and mark. Okay, let me see. Let's go and mark and know those who got it. It appears network is having issues because I'm not seeing you guys again entirely. I think there's a network issue here. What is happening? What's going on? Okay. Let me see. Okay. Boom. Okay, let's see. Let's see those who got it right. Who answered first? Nake, Elunala. Correct. Correct. Sherry Mango, Elunala. Correct. Kenny, Elunala. Correct. Princess, Elunala. Correct. Nedu, Elunala. Correct. Nah, you guys are hot. Unu dioku, you're on fire. That's great. You all got it right. Let's move. Oh, I didn't pronounce it. It's pronounced as Oko. 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 Inheritance. Oko. Inheritance. Oko. I believe you heard me very clearly. Okay? Let's go. Next one, same spelling, different stone, different meaning. Let's go. And what we have, boom, we have it. Let's go. I don't believe anyone can miss this one. If you can get inheritance, you cannot miss this one. Okay, let's go. Give me a mark. Quick, quick, quick. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Nedu is in. Nedu is in. Who is following? Nedu is in. Who is following? Okay. Princess is in. Who is joining that? Nedu is in first, followed by Princess, who is coming third. Who is coming third in this context? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Nake is in third position, who is taking fourth and fifth. Where is Kenny? Kenny, why are you drawing back? Sherry Mango, where are you? If you want to join this live class, please first join our channel membership. That is the only way to participate. Otherwise, you won't be able to gain access. This is one of the perks of our members of this channel. So, first, join our membership to join this live class. Thank you for doing that. For those who are struggling to join. Okay, let's go, let's go. I have 3 people already in. Where is Sherry Mango? Where is Kenny? Kenny is in. My answer is already there. It doesn't mean, even if it's already there, give us your answer. If it is there, it doesn't matter. Okay, Sherry Mango. Okay, that's good. That's good. Let's now pull up the answer, see whether you guys are right or wrong. Okay, I think you guys are right. I don't expect anybody to fail this. Let's see. Yes. Here we go. What do you guys write? Do who answered first? Zine. Princess Elu, correct. Nake Elu, correct. Sherry Elu, correct. Kenny Alex, I answered first. Oh, you answered first. I didn't know you were the one that answered first. Sorry about that. Kenny Alex, Elu. Oh, yeah. Okay, Nedu and Kenny. Oh, yeah. That's true. Elu. That's Elu. Hi. It's pronounced as Oko. Hi. Okay, that's fine. Put this down. Let's go back and get the next one. Next one. Okay. This is what we have. Same spelling, different tone, different meaning. This is what we have. Let's go there. Boom. We have it. Oh yeah, mark. Mark now. Let's see. Those who can get this, a little bit tricky. But let's see how it goes. Give me your marking. Let's go there. Let's go there. Kenny is in. Nedu is in. Princess is in. Nake, where are you? Nake is in. Sherry Mango, where are you? Sherry Mango. Sherry Mango. Shoibi. Well, let's go. Waiting for you to give us your mark before we mark. Sherry Mango, where are you? Where are you? Give me your tone mark. Give us your tone mark. I'm waiting for you, Sherry Mango. I hope you are still there. Give us your tone mark. If you don't know, say, am I in Mia? I don't know it. Am I in Mia? If you can write that, you should be able to write that. Why not? Very easy to write. Am I in Mia? I don't know it. But I don't think you don't know it. You just have to mark. Okay, you have already marked. That's good. Pull down, pull up the answer. Okay. What do we have? This is what we got. Yes, see who gets it. I think one person, two, almost all of you got it, actually. Boom. Here we go. Who got it? Kenny. Allah, Allah. Nedu, Allah na Allah. Princess, Allah na Allah. Nake, Allah na Allah. Mango, Sherry, Allah na Allah. All of you are too much. You all got it. And it sounds oko, 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 okwazu. When you add fish, it becomes fisher, fisherman. Okay, okwazu. As the full pronunciation is oko, azu, fisherman. You have to add azu to it. Okay, that's interesting. All right, let's go get another one. What do we have? Okay, after oko, what do we have? Okay, it appears these are the only two we have for that. We have done oko, and we have done oko, which is fire, and we have done oko in that range. Okay, that's all we have in that. So let's go to a new word entirely. A new word, a new word, a new word. Boom. There we go. Let's mark. Let's mark. Let's mark now. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Mark now. Oh, Sherry Mango is in. Sherry Mango is in already. That's great. Kenny followed. Kenny followed. Princess followed. Princess followed. Nedu followed. Nedu say, am I in Mia? It's all right. That is the answer. Okay. Who else have not answered? Nake. Nake, give us your answer. Nake, give us your answer. You are the one we are waiting for. Are you the checking? Okay, Nake is in. Elunala. Okay. Okwa. Okay. Okwa. That is actually the pronunciation. Okwa. I think it should be what it is exactly from my own marking here. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. Yes. Correct. And then it is exactly what I said. Boom. We go. That. And it is what it is. Sherry Mango wrote Alanala Mba Kenny Elunala. Correct. Okwa. 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 That is the sound. Elunala. Princess. Elunelu Mba. It's not. is elu n'ala. Nedu, amaghị m. Nnake, elu n'ala. Correct. Ọkwa. Okay. Cherry mango. Are you bringing new answer? What did you write finally? I didn't know what you wrote. Elu nagene. You wrote AA. Is that a typo? That should be a typo. Cherry mango. Maybe you are doing correction. So it's elu n'ala. I think maybe you wanted to write ala. I don't know. Elu n'ala. Ọkwa. 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 High, low. Let's go. We are moving to the end gradually. Let's see this one. Let's see this one. Let's see this. Let's share. Boom. Come. Sharp. Let's go. Let's go. Mark this one. Mark this one. Now. Kaide mark so. Let's go. Let's go there. Give us your mark. Give us your mark. Nyania. Nedu is in first. Kenny is following. Kenny is following. Yes. Who is coming third? Who is coming third? If you want to join our live classes, please join our membership. This is a perk, a benefit of being a member of this channel. Live direct Igbo teaching is only open to members of the channel. So if you want to join our live class, join our membership. Thank you for doing that. For those who are struggling to join our class. Okay, we have Nedu. We have Nedu answered first, followed by Kenny. Nake is in. Where is Sherry Mango? Where is Princess? Where is Princess? Where is Sherry Mango? Give me your marking. Or say so. Or say so. Princess. What do you say? Princess is in. Princess is in. Where is Sherry Mango? Waiting for you. Give me your marking. Sherry Mango, give us your marking. Give us your mark. Gwa anyị ihe ọ bụ ọsịsọ. Anyị na-eche gị, Sherry Mango. We are waiting for you, Sherry Mango. Anyị na-eche gị. Good, you are in. Good. Or the man, no. Let's go and mark and see what it is. Okay. Those of you, many of you got it right. You got it right. Boom. Here we are. This is it. Elu na elu. Let's see the marking. Nedu ala na ala. Mba. Atol atol. Kenny. Elu na elu. Correct. Inwetere ya. Nnake elu na elu. Inwetere ya. Correct. Princess. Elu na elu. Inwetere ya. Correct. Sherry Mango. Elu na elu. Inwetere ya. And it sounds ọkwa. Ọkwa. Trade. Ọkwa. High high. Okay. And we go to the final one for tone mark and for this class, for this series. Final one for this series and for today. And what do we have? This is what we have. Mark now. Give us your mark now. Let's go there. Shoot, 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 shoot. Now, who is shooting first? Who is shooting first? Let's go there. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Okay. Nnake shot first, followed by Kenny. Please, those of you trying to join our live class, join our membership of the channel first. That is what gives you access to our live classes. Do that now so that you'll be ready to join us next Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time. The only thing that give you access to our live classes by being a member of this channel. Thank you for doing that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Nnake came in first, followed by Kenny, followed by Princess, followed by Nedu. I'm waiting for Sherry Mango. Sherry Mango, give us your marking as a round up. Patiently waiting for you. Patiently waiting for you. Sherry Mango. Nye anyị nke gị. Give us your own. Nye anyị nke gị. Gịnị ka ị kwuru? Gịnị ka ị kwuru? Sherry Mango. Gịnị ka ị kwuru? What did you say? Sherry Mango. Gịnị ka ị kwuru? Anyị na-eche gị o. We are waiting for you o. Sherry Mango is in finally. Good. Okay, let's go, Mark. Let's go there. Let's go, Mark. What do we have? Here we go. Finally for this series, and finally for today, boom, we go. Bam, we are here. How many of us got it right? Let's check. Beginning with Nnake Alanala, correct. Kenny Alanala, correct. Princess Alanala, correct. Nedu Alanala, correct. Sherry Mango Alanala, correct. Wow, you guys are too much. No one missed this 100% mark. This is great. I must say, okay, let me pronounce this first. It's pronounced as Okwa, 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 Okwa. So that is square. I must say we've done great in this series, and everyone really participated. And I want to believe that we've learned a lot through this series. If you think so, you can indicate by saying yes, that we have learned so much from this series, because by next week, we are starting a new series. I won't tell you what it is. Make sure you are in class next week. We're beginning a new series, and you don't need to miss any part of it, because I'm sure you are going to find them very helpful. So if you know you have learned in this series, please indicate by saying A, and then show us some love, greet us, appreciate the effort. I also want to thank you guys for making out your time to come and learn with us, believing in us, supporting us still, and the little contribution you are making every month to keep this going. We are not taking it for granted. We appreciate it. Please do me a favor too. Help me to introduce this to somebody, a friend of yours. Ask him to join our membership, to participate in our live classes. We appreciate that so much if you can do that for us as a way of supporting this channel. We also thank you for staying put with us, learning with us, and want to believe you will continue to learn with us. Please be here on Saturday, and let's try to always come on time so that we can cover more with the time we have. If you have any question, you can drop your question now as we attend to it with a few minutes left. We're already on the 1 hour mark, but if you have any question, any observation, whatever you want to say, this is the time to say that. Any suggestions, I'm open to that now. Please drop it now. Let's talk about it. With few minutes, I'm giving you now to do that. Anything you want to say, any option, objection, suggestion, idea, input, can you do that based on this series or based on forthcoming ones, based on the performance and output, even the display, even the teaching approach? Are you okay with that? Do you think it's appropriate? We are doing the best we can to serve you. Are you satisfied? Yes. I need your response on that. Yes. Are you okay? Is everything okay? Do you think we are doing our best to serve you in this aspect? If you think so, you have no questions, you think we are doing our best, give us a thumbs up, and let's round up the class. Just give us a thumbs up if you think we are doing the best we can, and we are giving the best we can. Give us a thumbs up as we round up the class. Yes. Thank you for doing that. We appreciate you. We thank you for your support. As always, God bless you. Chukwu gozie gị. See you on Saturday. Kemesia. Yeah, thank you, Kenny Alex, for your thumbs up. Thank you for that. We appreciate. Kemesia. See you next Saturday. We end the screen now.